Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of using powerful natural boosters to boost testosterone naturally to build muscle. Testosterone, often called the king of hormones, is crucial in muscle building and overall health. Testosterone is a hormone primarily produced in men's testicles and in smaller amounts in women's ovaries. It is responsible for various body functions, including muscle growth, bone density, fat distribution, and red blood cell production. When it comes to muscle building, testosterone is a key player as it helps in protein synthesis, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Boosting testosterone naturally offers a plethora of benefits beyond just muscle building. It can enhance overall health and fitness by improving energy levels, mood, libido, and cognitive function. Additionally, maintaining optimal testosterone levels can aid in weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Certain foods, supplements, and lifestyle changes can increase testosterone levels without synthetic hormones. These boosters work harmoniously with the body's natural processes, making them a safe and sustainable option for enhancing muscle growth and overall well-being. So, if you're looking to take your muscle building journey to the next level while prioritizing your health, stay tuned as we explore the effectiveness of natural testosterone boosters in enhancing muscle growth. Let's dive in. Understanding testosterone. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a vital role in muscle building and overall health. Testosterone promotes protein synthesis, in which cells build proteins essential for muscle repair and growth. It also increases muscle mass by enhancing protein production and reducing muscle breakdown. Individuals with insufficient testosterone may experience decreased muscle mass, strength, and endurance, making it challenging to achieve optimal fitness goals. Low testosterone levels can also lead to fatigue, reduced motivation, and decreased performance during workouts. Fortunately, there are natural ways to optimize testosterone production to support better muscle gains. Regular exercise, particularly resistance training, can help stimulate testosterone production. Adequate sleep, managing stress levels, and maintaining a healthy diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients like zinc and vitamin D are also crucial for supporting optimal testosterone levels. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the effective strategies for boosting testosterone levels through natural means to maximize muscle growth and improve overall well-being. Let's optimize our testosterone for better gains. Natural testosterone boosters. Are you looking to naturally enhance your testosterone levels for improved muscle growth and overall well-being? Look no further. We've compiled a list of scientifically proven natural ingredients that can effectively boost testosterone production, helping you achieve your fitness goals. D-aspartic acid. This amino acid has been shown to increase testosterone levels by stimulating the release of luteinizing hormone, which signals the testes to produce more testosterone. The recommended dosage is 2-3 grams per day. Tribulus terrestris. Known for its potential to enhance libido and testosterone levels, Tribulus terrestris is a popular natural booster among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The recommended dosage is 500-1500 milligrams per day. Fenugreek. This herb contains compounds that may help increase testosterone levels and improve body composition. It is often used in testosterone-boosting supplements. The recommended dosage is 500-600 milligrams per day. Ashwagandha. An adaptogenic herb, ashwagandha has been linked to increased testosterone levels, improved strength, and muscle mass. The recommended dosage is 300-500 milligrams per day. Following the recommended dosage and usage instructions is essential for optimal results when using natural testosterone boosters. It's also crucial to be aware of potential side effects. Although natural boosters are generally considered safe when taken as directed, some individuals may experience mild side effects, such as digestive issues or changes in mood. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your fitness journey with natural solutions. Let's boost those testosterone levels the natural way. Nutrition and diet tips. The role of nutrition and diet in optimizing testosterone levels and promoting muscle growth cannot be overstated. Incorporating specific foods rich in essential nutrients can naturally support your body's hormone production and enhance your fitness journey. To boost testosterone production and support muscle building, consider including the following foods in your diet. Lean proteins. Foods like chicken, turkey, fish, and lean cuts of beef are excellent protein sources, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats. Incorporate foods rich in healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support hormone production, including testosterone. Zinc-rich foods. Zinc is a crucial mineral for testosterone production. To ensure an adequate zinc intake, include oysters, red meat, poultry, and pumpkin seeds. Macronutrients, including proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. significantly optimize hormone levels and support muscle growth. Additionally, micronutrients like vitamin D, magnesium, and B vitamins are essential for overall health and hormone regulation. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your diet for improved fitness and well-being. Let's fuel our bodies for success. Effective workouts for testosterone. Are you ready to take your fitness game to the next level? By naturally boosting testosterone and maximizing muscle growth, let's explore workout strategies that can help you achieve just that. Incorporating specific strength training exercises and principles into your routine can significantly impact testosterone levels and muscle hypertrophy. Strength training exercises have been shown to increase testosterone levels, making them a crucial component of any workout to enhance muscle growth. Some practical strength training exercises known to boost testosterone production include squats. This compound movement targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the legs, glutes, and core, stimulating testosterone release. Deadlifts. Deadlifts engage the entire body, particularly the back, legs, and core, promoting muscle growth and testosterone production. Bench press, a classic compound movement that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. The bench press can help increase testosterone levels with proper form and intensity. Incorporating compound movements involving multiple joints and muscle groups into your workouts is critical to stimulating muscle growth and optimizing testosterone levels. Additionally, implementing progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or intensity of your workouts over time, can further enhance muscle hypertrophy and testosterone production. To tailor your workout routine for enhanced testosterone production and muscle hypertrophy, consider incorporating compound exercises, isolation movements, and adequate rest periods. Designing a well-rounded workout plan that challenges your muscles and promotes recovery is essential for achieving optimal results. Stay tuned for more workout tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Let's elevate our training for maximum gains. Lifestyle changes for testosterone optimization. Optimizing testosterone levels and supporting muscle development go beyond workouts and diet. Lifestyle modifications play a crucial role in achieving these goals. By positively changing your daily habits, you can positively impact testosterone production and enhance muscle growth naturally. Quality sleep, stress management, and regular physical activity are critical to maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, mindfulness, and regular exercise can help prevent the negative impact of chronic stress on testosterone levels. A sedentary lifestyle and excessive stress can have detrimental effects on testosterone production. Prolonged sitting and high stress levels can disrupt hormone balance, decreasing testosterone levels and hindering muscle development. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support hormone production and muscle recovery. Manage stress. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to maintain healthy testosterone levels. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity, including strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises to promote overall health and optimize testosterone production. Let's make positive changes for a stronger, healthier you. Supplement recommendations. When selecting supplements, choosing reputable brands and products backed by scientific research is essential to ensure their effectiveness and safety. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for testosterone production and overall health. Look for high-quality vitamin D supplements from reputable brands to support optimal hormone levels. 2. Omega-3 fish oil. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improved testosterone levels and muscle recovery. Creatine. Creatine is a popular supplement known for its muscle-building benefits. When combined with natural testosterone boosters, creatine can enhance muscle growth and strength synergistically. For example, combining vitamin D with zinc or magnesium can further enhance hormone production. Creatine can amplify muscle-building effects when paired with D-aspartic acid or tribulus terrestris. While supplement combinations can be beneficial, being cautious about potential risks and interactions is crucial. Some supplements may have side effects or interact with medications, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before combining different supplements for testosterone optimization. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's optimize our testosterone levels for maximum gains. Boosting testosterone through natural strategies supports muscle growth and improves overall well-being. By incorporating natural boosters, such as D-aspartic acid and tribulus terrestris, and lifestyle changes like quality sleep and stress management, you can effectively support your body's hormone production for enhanced muscle gains. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others on a similar quest for natural muscle building and testosterone optimization. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in unlocking your full potential.